Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie, and today I'm gonna make. First, I'm gonna add glitter glue, my favorite. And then with this, now I'm gonna add the baking soda. Half tablespoon, guys, and. More. Now I'm going to move it a little bit, right? I have a mixture. I made another slime, and mine slime was bad because I put shaving cream, and then I mixed with the fork, but I don't like mixing with the fork because my sister Janeri didn't let me do this because she wasn't paying attention about how to say this. So, she's great. Now we're going to add the contact solution to it. Now, this one's next, and I took the little This is so pretty. Can't believe this. I'm gonna use my hand, guys. I got all of my slime out of my bowl. Let's go ahead and add shaving glue. Okay, I got it in my hands. Get it out of my hands. Oh my goodness. This is so sticky, Mom. We didn't add that. Huh? Yeah. Need to mix my hands.
Oh no, I think we put too much.
Just a little bit. It's going on my hand. Put it in the bowl. So guys, this is what it looks like when I'm mixing it with my hands. I don't like mixing it with my hands at all. I hate mixing it with my hands, guys. I think this is done. It's done. I think it's done. It's so done. I'm gonna add some beads to my slime. So they look pretty. I'm putting some beads in my slime. I'm putting a lot of beads in my slime. This is my slime, guys. Just have to put all the beads inside so it can look beautiful. This is my slime, and it's very stretchy, and it has beads in it that I put in. Need a lot more. Comment down below and see which kind of slime should I do now. Green, purple, green again, or purple again. I mean, green again or a different color. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. watching. Bye.